we are working with fig tree cutting. This is what a fig tree cutting looks like. And we're going to be potting them today to make more fig trees. And rosemary as well with the cuttings that we have. These are the pots that we're going to be using. This is the dirt that we're going to be using. We have about 11 fig trees. So they can have good retention. So we want to have a good size like that. You want to take the fig tree. You want to stick it in the rooting agent. Just like that. And you want to stick the tree right into it and then press down on it. Boom. One fig tree. Look at that. Look at that. Oh.